So when you click into the Blackboard website and you click on the Math 167, you're going to come up with course tools. And so here's everything you're going to need, because remember, there's a lot of stuff that is on my Math Lab. So you're going to see a lot of these things again. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Getting Started, click here first, which is where you had to click to actually get to this video. So if you click on the Getting Started, there are a couple of things that pop up. This right here is, are you ready for an online course? This is the same thing that I sent in an email to everyone. This is a little PowerPoint presentation discussing the difference between an online course and a traditional course. The one thing that students tend to not understand is that the online courses still take the same amount of time as a traditional course. It's just flexible time. So you're still going to be spending at least seven hours a week, depending on your background, working on this material. So that's what I basically wanted to communicate with you. Also, you know, there's ways to get help. And this talks about the fact that our course is actually an online with campus requirement, meaning that you have to come twice. All the math courses are online with campus requirement. So that's what that was. And let's go back. Working in Blackboard Vista is this exact thing that you're watching right now. Working in my Math Lab goes through, it's a video that walks you through my Math Lab. Okay, so going back, let's look at the class notes. The class notes are two different PowerPoint slides. You can actually get the class notes in Word format. Actually, it's a PowerPoint, so you have to have PowerPoint downloaded in your computer. And then this is your class notes in PDF form. This is the one that works best with Blackboard. And again, what these are the updated PowerPoint slides that have a little bit more detail to them, as I talk about in the, they're also on my Math Lab, same exact ones. These show you more detail on how to use the calculator, etc. And again, these are just the same exact thing, but in PowerPoint format. Important links, there's two links. This goes directly to the my Math Lab website, and this goes to the spot for calculator help. If you actually click on it, again, if you go to any chapter, what's going to happen is they're going to use examples from the chapter, and it tells you which page it is exactly from our book, and it shows you how to type in something using the TI-83 or TI-84 calculator. So using examples from the chapter that you're currently located in. Let's see. Let's go back to home page. Getting into my Math Lab, this actually gives you step-by-step instructions in case you need them on how to get into my Math Lab. If you look through it, it gives you my course ID. This is a notice talking about the fact that my Math Lab offers you a 17-day free trial, so you don't have to go out and buy it right now. By the end of 17 days, though, if you haven't bought it, it's sideways. I'm sorry about that. But if you haven't bought the My Math Lab code, all the work that you've done is deleted, so you don't want to let that happen. So it's just a temporary access. Now, if we go back, this is me showing you, if we make this a little bigger, this is me showing you what happens when you log into my Math Lab and you click on register. It asks you a bunch of questions, and then it's asking you, do you want to, do you already have an access code? Maybe you've already bought that from the bookstore, or do you want to use a credit card and buy it now online, Or if you look at this option down here at the bottom, it says, notice in blue down here where the arrow is pointing to, it says get temporary access without payment for 17 days. So I just wanted to point out, because it's not obvious when you get there, that's where you do it. Okay, so let's go back. This is just giving you my email address. You can email me through Blackboard, but I can't, if I'm on my smartphone, I can't email you directly back. I have to, log into Blackboard to email you back. So if you email me directly at this email address, and that's what my math lab does, it emails me directly at this address, then I can email you right back. This is the syllabus, the same one that is on my math lab. You'll see it again. It goes through, it gives you, again, the course ID. There's the ISBN. You don't need a book. If you get my math lab, the book is incorporated in it. It talks about that you need a calculator, etc. Notice that my math lab course ID is right here, and the 2 dates that you need to be ready to be on campus. If you go through, it gives you lots and lots of information, general course procedures, basically how you'll be assigned, homework, etc. And there's lots of information on the syllabus. And it goes through and it gives you at the end how to log into my math lab, step-by-step instructions. At the bottom again, you'll see the 17-day free trial. And last, right here, is just another place where you can see if you need to go to the ACE, the Academic Center for Excellence. This is their hours of operations. If you need help, this is a great place to go. They're open a lot more than I am. So especially if it's later in the evening, or during the times when I'm teaching, or sometime I can't meet with you because I'm in meetings, this is a great place to get to know the people in there, and I think you'll enjoy it. So again, this is just how to get around in the web and on the Blackboard site. Again, if you have any questions, contact me. Thank you.